Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not really. Why do you ask?
I was thinking let's go to movie theater.
That's a nice idea.
When you are free,
I think around 7 p.m.
so I should book the ticket around 7 p.m.
Yeah, I think so.
It's around $30.
Yeah, that's fine. I booked the tickets.
Hello, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
How do I get to the ticket office?
It's right over there.
Thanks. When does the train leave?
It departs at 11 a.m.
Is the train running on schedule?
Yes, it's on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Where is platform 4?
It's at your right.
Time to get up. It's very late.
I don't want to wake up, Mom.
It's bright outside. The sun is up.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You need to start waking up earlier.
I know. I'll try my best.
Get up now and get ready.
I'm brushing my teeth, Mom.
You might miss the school bus.
I'm hurrying. I'll be ready soon.
All right, don't be late again.
Okay.
You seem distracted. Today, is everything okay?
Sorry, I am having a hard time focusing.
I've noticed. What is the problem?
I just can't keep my mind on the lesson.
Try to take a deep breath and focus on the study.
Okay, I'll do my best to concentrate.
Remember, it's important to pay attention in class.
You're right. I'll make sure to listen carefully now.
Good, make sure you're not late again.
I will make sure that.
Hello, code. You help?
Of course. What do you need?
Can I get glass of juice?
Absolutely. Would you like orange or mango? I would orange. Here you go. Is there anything else could help with?
No, that's all.